provide. Let's write the letter T, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital T with a line on top. Lowercase lines crossed with a stop. T is for taco, crunch, crunch, crunch. Learning letters is fun and such. Tacos are fun with toppings galore. Peppers, tomatoes, and so much more. A little bit of cheese, but not too much. Eating balanced is the best touch. The letter T is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital T with a line on top. Lowercase lines crossed with a stop. T is for taco, crunch, crunch, crunch. Learning letters is fun and such. Tacos are tasty, but here's the way. Add some greens to brighten your day. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter T is next in our ABCs. Capital T with a line on top. Lowercase lines crossed with a stop. T is for taco, crunch, crunch, crunch. Learning letters is fun and such.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.